hey, if you look at the time, it's after 6. This is Noah from After 6 Cocktails, and today we're going to make a Bijou. Bijou means jewel in French, but today I'm going to figure out if this is a jewel of a cocktail, so to speak. It has some Angostura orange bitters. Not very. I don't know how common they are every day, in like how common they are used in most bars. I just don't know. I'm guessing they're uncommon. It has the red vermouth. We've got the martini and rosé right here. It specifically calls for Plymouth gin. I do have Plymouth gin right here. It's the Navy strength at 57% alcohol by volume. And it's one of the few cocktails that call explicitly for green chartreuse. Green chartreuse is a very interesting cocktail ingredient. When tasted neat, which I have done, it gives off a sort of physical reaction. Like it's very bitter. It's incredibly bitter. In the last cocktail that I tried with chartreuse in it, the last word, I really just didn't like. So let's see if the Bijou changes my mind on chartreuse. To start, we're going to add a dash of the orange bitters. Flip this guy over and add half an ounce of the sweet vermouth. We're going to add half an ounce of this green chartreuse. Yellow chartreuse does exist. It's not as common as green chartreuse. And we're going to add 1.5 ounces of the Plymouth gin. The thing about gin-based cocktails is that balance is the key here. Balance between the flavors. Now we gotta stir. No citrus juice, we should stir. And we're going to strain it into this glass right here.